kanina. So, iyon na nababasahan na akong lectures dito. So, may kuhain gift, pag-ano 10K. 60 ka kung tatanap ko niya, tatay, no budget na. Pero kahit, nayamatawahan niya ka, di ba? Kahit, ang aming lugod na sister, Yati Uli, inainaruan yung regalo nga, kaya ako na, mga big-big, araw-araw tayo mo, ihahatag. So na ako na, ano kang kare, nilang lechon. At ang ibawi, nag-aya niya, bakato lang ang regalo. Pagkatapos naman, nag-message na mga kanto, nag-message niyo ko na. Bakit siya mabuking? So, hindi na okay, that's all.
Thank you, Vic. Next, we have Ma'am Lisa. Ma'am Lisa. Sister of Jerry.
Happy 60th birthday. Happy birthday to my Inca and caring sister-in-law. Me, your life always bless you with everything you wish for. And we are very thankful that you will be
Ginagalang na
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Lisa. Next, we have Ma'am Sol, the principal of the CES. Still in uniform, kasi nagkaroon kami ng activity. Kaya hindi ko lang ng time para magpalit ng attire.
Happy birthday, Maricel. Wishing you a day as bright as your passion for teaching and the impact you have in countless lives. Here's to many years of inspiring lives and regular works. You know, Maricel, this is your mission. Maricel is one of the trusted employees of the Oricel Elementary School. You know, i-hire niya naman mga treasurer naman, yes. Pag ikaw mo ha, Dolores, kasi yan